This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sylvia V Woods. You will fall in love with this open floor plan: large master on first floor with 2 closets, jetted tub, tiled shower, dual sinks, huge great room with vaulted ceiling and gas fireplace, breakfast bar, granite countertops, built-in desk perfect for working from home, big fenced backyard with patio, bedrooms upstairs are very large. This is the place to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Sylvia V Woods at 757-715-9730.